this is Kim, a brand spanking new Younique presenter, and I just got my Younique presenter's kit in the mail this weekend, so I wanted to open it up on camera and let you see what I got. So first is this card that says, "Wait, don't open. Lipsticks tend to soften during shipping in the hot months. We know you're dying to try your lipstick now, but let it stand at room temperature for 24 hours before opening, and your new product will be in perfect condition. Thank you for waiting and enjoy." So just a little advice for if you ordered lipstick during hot months that you don't want to open it immediately. Next is an independent presenter's guide, which has all kinds of information about the royalties program, instant royalties, what else? Fast start program. So lots of great information about being a Younique presenter. Next is a Vistaprint card that you get 100 free business cards being a new presenter. So that's pretty cool. And then we have a catalog with all of the fabulous products. And then what I've been waiting for is the contents of the presenter's kit. So first we have a sample of the bronzer, beachfront bronzer. Then we have samples of the Touch Mineral Liquid Foundation and all the colors it comes in, which I'm dying to try. Next is a sample of Moodstruck Minerals Pigment Powder. And it shows you all the different pigment colors and how to apply it. And a sample of the Minerals Pressed Blusher. And again, with instructions for how to apply it based on your face shape. And there's an envelope which has your Younique shade stick, so you can hold it up next to someone's skin and figure out what shade they need. That's pretty awesome. And then we have our lovely makeup box kit, whatever. And it's pretty embossed with Younique. Has a little clasp. Ooh, stuff's falling out. So we have Moodstruck Addiction eyeshadow palette number 2. We have a sample of skincare samples. So we have Uplift Eye Serum, Illuminate Clean, Illuminate Clear, the Divine Daily Moisturizer, and the Glorious Face and Eye Primer. So I can't wait to try some of these. Next, there are 2 of the 3D fiber lashes for a limited time until they sell 1 million, I believe it is. You get 2 of these in your kit, so it's a great time to join for that. Next is a Perfect eyeliner, a cream shadow brush, a cream shadow and Tenacious, Moodstruck Opulence lipstick in Upscale, and Lucrative lip gloss in, what color is this? Lovesick. You can see the color. There it is. And then last, there's a pretty little bag, and inside is my white charm for being brand new, and the Plus U, which you're getting for limited time when you get your 2 3D fiber lashes. So pretty bag, and that's everything. So thanks for watching.